Sir, can you make it darker? I can't see anything.
Okay.
Is it Ca3PO4, right?
It is SiO2, yeah, PO4 plus carbon will use CaSiO3
Answer is PO separate element.
and P4 plus carbon monoxide. So just to use the same algebraic expression method, but you will get some extra equations in this. And everybody got the answers for the first one, right? HClO4 plus P4O10. Any doubts in that?
Yes.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Sir, is PO4 a separate element? Like, is it
Yeah.
a separate compound?
PO4 is separate only. Generally, phosphorus
So we
will
should
exist.
take
Generally,
we
phosphorus
should
will
take
exist. Yeah. We'll take one more coefficient for the PO4. Generally, phosphorus will exist in the form of P4 only.
sir, but we
Sorry,
don't
sorry,
have
sorry.
PO4 on
Sorry.
the RHS. We have
One more
only
thing.
P.
One more thing. This is not the 3. This is the 2.
Yes, and I can see. So, sir, we have to take the phosphorus as one element, right?
Yeah, phosphorus is another separate. Got the answer?
Oh, 1 second. Then.
Yeah.
CO. So this is the first step, writing the coefficients in front of each and every compound. So first we'll check for the calcium. I'm writing in the shortcut way. So what is the calcium equation here?
The 3A is equal to
3A is equal to
3A
T.
is equal to,
1D.
it's only
Yeah, D.
one here calcium is there again on the right side. So only one D, right? So only D.
So
Yes.
3A
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to D.
Next one we'll take for the phosphate. So what is the equation for phosphate here? How many phosphates are there here?
2A.
Two, right? PO4
Yes,
taken
sir.
twice. So this 2 belongs to both. So 2 times of A is equal to, what about the right side case? How many phosphates are there?
Sir, 4E.
4E.
4E, sir.
E. Next one we'll take for the oxygen. If you write the equation for the oxygen properly, you'll get everything perfect. How many oxygens are there here? Wait, Ananya.
Sir, 8
Three.
oxygen.
8A plus 8A plus 2.
Yes, sir. 8A plus
8A
2B.
plus 2B.
8A correct only, right? Everyone is clear with this 8, right? Anyone has doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 2B.
No, sir.
Because 4 into 2, 8, 8A plus,
2B.
again there are two oxygens are there in the B compound. So 2B is equal to,
How many oxygens are there in the D?
3. Sir, 3D. 3D.
3D. Plus, how many oxygens are there in the F?
Plus
One.
1F. F.
Is it clear for everyone? Oxygen expression?
Yes. sir.
Then next we'll go for the silicon. What
Sir,
about the
B is equal to D. D is equal to D.
B is equal to D for silicon. Next, what about the carbon?
So carbon is C is equal to F.
Three.
C is
Carbon
equal
C
to
is
F.
equal to F.
F.
Any doubts in these equations?
No,
No
sir.
doubt.
No, sir.
Sir, my all equations are correct, but still I did not get the right answer.
That's what we'll check. Which one we have to take? The simpler equation you have to take out of the given equations. You have to choose the simple one.
then which one is the simple one here?
Sir,
3A plus D.
phosphorus.
3A equal 3A equal to D.
You can take this as a simple equation. Okay. If you take this one, what will happen? Here A
Sir,
is
you'll
there.
get a fraction, sir.
Here also A is there. It will become confusion right here in the O case because there are more number of variables here. You can't take it directly. And here also direct values are there. So instead of these taking, we can take 3A is equal to D is a simpler one. So if you make 3A is equal to D means compare the numerator and denominator. Then A will become
A will become a D by 3. D
A
by
by
3.
D is equal to 1 by 3. So A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3. So we got two values. Substitute
Sir,
A
I
is
did
equal to
mistake
1.
here, sir.
You did the mistake here.
Yes, sir. I wrote 8 by D is equal to 3 by 1.
Okay. So if you substitute A value here, what is the E value? 2 into 1 equal to 4E.
Sir, it'll be 1 by 2.
E is equal to 1 by 2. No problem. Next. We got already D value. So D is equal to 3 means B is also equal to
3.
3. Implies B is equal to 3. We don't get the C value and F value. So we cannot solve this equation now. Then we can solve this equation, right? Oxygen when?
Yes, sir. So that we can get the value of F and C.
Yeah. Then what is the equation for oxygen? 8 into 1. A is 1. Plus 2 into
3.
the B value also 3 is
3.
equal to, we got the
3
D
into
value also
3.
3 into 3, but we don't know
Plus-
about the F. So what is the answer total solving this one? 8 plus 6 minus
14. That is 5, sir.
14 equal to 9 plus F.
F is 5 only. If F is 5, then what about the C value?
5.
Yes, sir. 5.
C also equal to,
5.
but out of the given all the values, E value is only the fraction value, right? If it is
Yes,
a
sir.
fraction means what we'll do? We'll take the LCM. LCM means what? Just
LCM.
we'll multiply all the numbers with the 2 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand this one? Because 2 is only
Yes.
the denominator. We don't have any other fractions here. If it is only one fraction is there now, we have to multiply with all the given numbers with the denominator of that fraction. Then what will becomes?
But sir,
Yeah.
sir, you can directly leave it in the fraction itself, right? Because once we wrote a fraction one equation, right?
Okay. If you wrote the fraction equation, somewhat little bit confusion will happen, right? One term will be in the fractions. You have to compare the number of atoms on the reactant side and the number of atoms on the product side. So the little bit confusion will come if it is in the fraction values now. So to simplify that fraction values only, we'll do the LCM method. But here no other term is there for the LCM. All are denominator 1, 1, 1 only, right? Only one term is 2. So overall LCM will be 2 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll multiply all the given numbers with the 2. Then what will becomes? Final answer? A is 2,
D is 6.
B is 6, C
10.
10, D
6.
E
1.
1.
E is 1.
Sir.
So, okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay, sorry. E is 1, F
10.
10.
10. Clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
now clear.
Now write the equation once. 2Ca3 PO4 taken twice plus, what is the B value? 6 SiO2 plus 10 carbon only. 10 carbon will give 6 CaSiO3 plus 1 P4 sorry, plus what about the F? 10 CO.
10 carbon monoxide.
10p.
Now
10p.
check it, how many atoms are there in the reactant side and how many are there in product side? Is it both same for the calcium, phosphorus,
sir.
oxygen, silicon, carbon? Check it on both the sides.
Sir, actually, I read in a different method, sir.
Which one?
Sir, I first solved phosphorus, and then I got like everything was divisible by 2, so I
Okay,
divided everything by 2.
no problem. But if you want to solve in a simpler way, you should take the simpler equations.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the above case also have done the same. That's why I got so many fractional values here. HClO4, P4O10. Out of the given equations, if you take the simpler one, you will get only integer value directly. Okay. Clear for everyone? Check it how many calciums are there on the reactant side and the product side.
Yes, sir. 6 are there.
On the reactant side
6, sir.
and product side.
6.
This side also 6. What about phosphorus?
4.
4 and 4.
4 and
Sir, 4.
4.
4.
Oxygen?
16.
10. Okay, 16.
Sir,
yeah.
18, sir. 18.
No, sir.
18,
Sir,
16.
it's
Check it properly.
So it's 18.
sir, it's 30.
Sir, it's 18 plus 22.
Where I guess it is 20.
So 28. Sir.
So
So
it's
28.
22.
22. I will
Yeah.
write one more
So
equation for
28.
28, right? Can I write 50 also here? One more number.
No, sir.
16,
2, 4,
18,
8.
22, 28.
Sir, it's 28.
Sir, it's 28. No, sir,
It's
it's 28.
28,
Sorry,
sir.
It's 28, sir.
That's what. Whenever the something is there in the bracket, you should careful. It becomes a multiplication here. 4 to the 8. Again 8 to the 16. So remaining understand why it is 28 or
Yes, understood.
Vedika?
Yes, sir.
What about Sayakshit? Are you there in the class or just attended? Unmute yourself, Sai. Pranav,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
How many oxygens are there total?
Say 28.
So 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 this side and the 6 to the 12. So total 28. What about on the product side? 6 to the 18 plus 10, 28. Like silicons,
So 6.
6. What about the product side?
6.
Carbon, 10, directly 10.
10.
Now all the numbers are same, right? Reactant side and product side. So it is a balanced chemical equation. So there is a cross way to check your whether the values you got correct or wrong. Understanding? After getting this equation, just cross check whether the number of atoms on the reactant side and the product side is same or not. If you got the same values, then it is a balanced one, and whatever the values you are getting is a correct. If you are getting the wrong numbers on these cases, then you have done some mistake. I hope now it is clear for everyone. The
Sir,
algebraic
I'm
method.
having a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, the table which you gave for representation of radicals, in that the phosphate one, the representation is PO4 minus 3, and then the valency is 2. But in all of the above cases, the number of charge is equal to the valency. So, is the phosphate valency correct?
Phosphate always will show -3 only. Okay, it is not 2. The phosphate always will show -3 and the calcium will show +2. So when you interchange these two numbers, it is a 3, it is a 2, so it will form Ca3 PO4 taken 2. That is only the calcium phosphate formula. Okay.
No, sir, I'm asking that phosphate charge is -3, so the valency should be 3 or 2.
The valency is 3 only.
Yes, sir, but in the table that's given as 2.
Okay, that I have done the mistake. I think if you can check the other table also, just check it other table. I think phosphate is available in 2 places. Check it near the trivalent table.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, I think in one of the table it is given as a mistake.
But the valencies of phosphate is 3 only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I will share some worksheet. Take the screenshot of that. Is it okay, or can I send it on the group itself?
Sir, as
Kavya, unmute yourself and speak, please.
So I was telling not ask the wish. Like you can send to group also.
Okay, first take the screenshot. Again, I have some class, right? So if I forgot also, I should do these problems in the notes. But definitely I'll send today. Don't worry. Then,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes,
these are the 15 is there.
So once again, sir, please.
And along with this, suppose if a Na3PO4 is there, I want everyone to solve these equations first thing. Listen carefully how to solve this worksheet.
Guys, first listen. First, you have to do the balancing equation, that worksheet completely. How to balance the equations. Then, after finishing this, take the individual compounds like Na3PO4. What is the name of the Na3PO4? You should write that one also. In the last, after finishing all the things, worksheet balancing, identifying the compounds also how to done. Suppose Na3PO4 is there. What is Na3PO4?
What is the name? Sodium
So sodium
phosphate.
phosphate.
Yeah, like that you should write Na3PO4 slash, that is a sodium phosphate. Like new terms will come, right? Always. So always you should write the names also. Like KOH, what is the name?
Potassium
hydroxide.
hydroxide.
Potassium
Potassium
hydroxide,
hydroxide.
sodium hydroxide next. Like this, each and every
Formula, you have the different compounds you'll get. Okay. So this is for two
Okay, sir.
works. One is for the balancing the
how
chemical
many-
equation. Second one is for the writing the chemical names for the given formulas. Okay.
Total how many?
Sorry, Piyush.
The total how many are there?
There's a total 20 are there. So 20 into 4, usually you'll get 80.
So
Okay.
once you show 17, 18, 19, 20.
But
also.
out of 80, something will always repeat, right? Like oxygen, no need to write for the oxygen, or no need to write for the copper. These are the common things, right? I'm telling only for the compounds. Like N2 is there, we know nitrogen gas, H2 nitrogen gas, you know. Your wish. If you want to write, you can write that on, no issue. But generally write for the compounds are mainly first important thing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So total 20 are there. Solve this 20. And one more thing, if you can solve directly now, you can do that one also directly.
Sir, can you show 16 to 20 once?
Yes, sir.
The better thing is I will provide this worksheet in the group now itself. So you can take the printout or your wish, or you can copy each and every question in the class workbook. That's also fine. Okay, but last time I said and I missed it, right? That's what I'm going in safely before itself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a 16 to 20. Along with this, I will send you one more worksheet also. That is, I think this work is enough for this week.
No, sir, you can send more.
Yeah, I'll send that worksheet also along with this if possible. You can finish that also. Sakshi till now not responding anything.
Can I come within 2 minutes?
Which one?
No, sir, I mean, sir, can I go and drink some water?
Yeah, yeah. So I want this answer within 2 minutes. CaCO3 plus H3PO4 gives rise to Ca3PO4 taken twice plus H2CO3. We'll check only 1 minute time is there. Who will solve this 1 minute?